Champion of Champions. The winner of the first prize of Productivity Championship Awards 2020 is Indomim Private Limited. For their presentation on automation and robotics, a case study on reducing manual intervention to boost productivity in metal injection molding parts. Congratulations to you, Indomim.
Hi, this is Hilson from Indomim. It was such a joy to be present at the National Productivity Summit 2020 hosted by IMTMA. I appreciate the efforts taken by IMTMA to assist their members to be cost-effective, technology-driven, and keeping the Indian industry abreast on the ever-changing technology and customer needs. I really enjoyed being part of member industries to showcase the productivity enhancements and accomplishment at Indomim. It's so important to bring the industry together and share not just the best practice but also the lessons we have learned, because this is uncharted territory for all of us. Once again, we are demonstrating the professionalism of our industry as well as our ability to unite, collaborate and innovate. Well done to the IMTMA team for facilitating. Amidst the pandemic, one could just ignore organizing a mega event of this kind. The IMTMA has pulled out all corners and made this virtual event a grand success. I appreciate the meticulous and exhaustive planning that has gone into organizing this event. We could witness the results in the way the virtual event ran through seamlessly. I could tell that every single detail has been taken care of and the organization was absolutely spotless and seamless. It was totally first class from beginning to end, and your lining up of speakers were amazing. You're destined for greatness. I feel like I was able to obtain a tremendous amount of information that could facilitate continued growth of our industry. Great work, Vilas, Director of IMTMA, to keep progressing the rich direction of content and thought leadership for our wider industry. Kudos Prashant, Abhishek and Madan for coordinating the event meticulously. The keynote speeches was nothing less than enlightening. The National Productivity Summit had a perfect blend of learning, industry topics to ponder on, and opportunities to implement in our respective work arena. The summit clearly succeeded in delivering on its promise and purpose by attracting industry leaders from across the region to attend and contribute for the greater good of the industry, and no doubt improve relationship as a result. Need to mention the jury comprising of industry leaders with varied expertise to provide insightful views and thought-provoking dialogue was a feather on the cap. The questions they raised made us think of many opportunities for improvement. Congrats once again IMTMA on organizing an exceptionally good conference. A fantastic event that exceeded my expectation on numerous levels. The broad range of topics presented and the queries raised by the invited panel members were refreshing. Finally, Indomim would like to thank the jury for selecting us as the Champion of Champions and awarded the prestigious Productivity Champions Award 2020. We thank the award sponsors Ace Micromatic for your continued support to make this event a grand success. Hope to come back next year with more successful projects with the insights received during the summit. See you next year.